dancers of YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at two different styles of skating the backward inside to outside change of edge, starting with a figures-based technique. If you're new to this move, you might want to revise backward curves before you have a go. And for this video, we're going to start by learning the free leg actions and body checks. We set up on a backward inside edge facing into the circle with the free leg extended behind the heel of the skating foot. Starting the edge change, we rise in the skating knee and draw that free leg back a little further, taking care to match the direction of the heel of our skating foot and our shoulder line. We are now exactly between our two circles. The body weight sways across the blade and into the new circle as the free leg passes close past the skating foot to finish extended in front with an out of circle upper body check. And we watch again the free leg extend back the whole right side, leading the way, body sway and then close passage of that free foot brushing past. Turning to face our direction of skating really helps to solidify our out of circle check. And now let's introduce an alternative method which requires refined control, excellent alignment, and is a great exercise to improve rumba choctaw. In this variation, the free leg remains extended back. Only the body weight and a subtle adjustment of turnout of the standing leg controls the change. I hope you've enjoyed this Technical Tuesday. Remember, you can join our tribe and subscribe. And in the meantime, enjoy some more fabulous content from our channel.